Okay, we're going to hook up a GFI today. Pretty basic. You got your line and your load. So you're going to take your black, the hot, and you're going to put it on the line side on the gold screw. We'll tighten that down. I'm going to take the neutral, the white wire, put it onto the silver terminal on the line side. You're going to take your ground, the green, put it to the ground terminal. Make sure your connections are all nice and tight. Just work on tucking this back in. That right there is basic installation of a GFI outlet.